Do you want to convert your petrol car into an electric car? If yes, let us go through the video. So you may have a doubt whether all the cars can be converted to an electric car. Actually, no. Because of two reasons. One is it may not be economical in all cases. Second thing, even after conversion, your car has to be tested and certified by government agencies. Let us see about the factors to be considered before converting to electric car. First thing is the age of the vehicle. So what happens if you use a very old car for conversion? Actually, many parts has to be changed, and they will not be having any safety bags. So it will may be very costly to change your car. Then if your vehicle is already giving poor mileage, it means that its performance is not good. Or if the condition of vehicle is such that it needs frequent maintenance, you have to rethink about conversion. Then the major factor is the weight of the vehicle. So even after conversion, your vehicle weight should not affect its performance. That is, if you have a very small car, if you put the battery, the weight of the car will increase drastically, which will affect the performance of the car. Similarly, a heavy car, already a heavy car, when it is loaded with the battery, weight will increase, and in that case safety may be a problem and the battery will drain faster. So before conversion, you have to sort out so many things. So first let us see about the difference between gasoline car and electric car. So we know that the input for the gasoline car is the petrol, which will be stored in the petrol tank. You can see that the size of the petrol tank is very less. Actually, for an electric car, you need input as electricity, which will be stored in the battery. And if this petrol tank is able to give some 500 kilometer range, for example, if you want to get the same 500 kilometer range with the converted electric car, your battery size will be very huge. In case of a new electric car, what they will do is they will spread the battery pack along the ground. Whereas if you convert a older vehicle into an electric one, you may not find a place to keep your battery pack. So you have to reduce the range of your car. The other part to be removed is the engine and its associated parts, like this is the exhaust system. So in electric vehicle you have to add these parts, motor and its controller. Actually, how do they convert? Most of the companies have a conversion kit. It is like a plug and play kit. Depending upon the model of the car, it may vary from 4 to 6 lakhs, and they have for each model they have a separate kit, and they will just place it and give you. So there are government approved testing agencies and conversion agencies are there. They will do all this work. So this is one such company. So you can see here, convert your car into electric today. So this is a converted car. So in converted electric car, actually not all the components are replaced. So what happens is some of the components are used as such. So in that case, what happens is that if you are using a very old car or a poor performing car, because of this components, your performance may not be up to the level even after conversion. So if it is an old car, it may have a hydraulic steering system. If it is a new car, it will be already electric, so there is no need for conversion. Similarly, for a braking system, if you have hydraulic, you have to convert it into electric brakes. In addition, you have to go for regenerative braking also. Regenerative braking is nothing but you are retrieving some of the energy while you are applying brake. Because in gasoline car, it will be wasted. Whereas in electric car, you can uh, get some power back. So the other modifications to be done is in air conditioner. So in a gasoline car, engine power is used to run the AC. Now it has to be electric driven, so it operates from battery. And the other thing is dashboard has to be modified to indicate the battery charging level or status of the battery. So the technical challenges in conversion are, first thing is the battery. That is called the heart of electric vehicle. So the main thing is where you will keep your battery, that plays an important role, because uh, your older vehicle may not have sufficient space to keep the battery. So if you go for a lower range of battery, your range of the vehicle will reduce. The other thing is even after placing the battery, it should not affect the volume distribution of the car, because that will affect the behavior of the car. So, so in that is, if your center of gravity is affected, safety will become a major issue in the car. So you have to consider these conditions before conversion. The other challenges are, normally the cars have various sensors. Now you are converting to electric, so battery, motor and its control all need some more sensors. So this additional sensors should not affect the existing system, because your circuit will be same, you are adding only the extra sensors to it, so it should not affect the existing system. Then you need an onboard charger. We know that charger gets heated after some time, so it needs space for heat dissipation. You have to consider this factor also. And then the vehicle control unit will monitor the whole movement of vehicle. Then you need a proper isolation circuit, because battery is high voltage and some of the components will require a low voltage. So normally a DC-DC converter is used to convert the high voltage to low voltage to charge these low voltage components. And this battery should be properly isolated so that it does not cause any shock to passengers. Actually, high voltage and low voltage should be properly isolated. Then you need battery status indicator, and the main component is a battery management system, which monitors and controls the battery. So this plays a major role in the life of the battery. So things which we should consider before going for conversion is, what will be the range of their car after conversion, whether proper isolation is for battery, what will be the battery warranty period, it will be given by that particular company, what is the cost of conversion, and you should not compromise on the safety issues, because older cars may not have that safety features. And make sure that after conversion it complies with the government rules. So if you want to convert, you can surely convert considering these conditions and make the environment pollution free. So these are some of the references, and if you like the video or if you need more details, do visit this website. And if you like the video, please subscribe.